In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to crop window source in OBS Studio. So first of all, I'm just adding a window source or window capture first of all. Clicking on this window drop down and selecting my window. Once the window successfully added, now it's time to crop. Here are two different ways you can crop your sources. The first option is hold down the Alt or Option key on your keyboard, and then you will be able to crop your window source from left or right or from top and bottom, just like this. And here's another way to crop. Just select the window capture, go to filters, under effect filters click on this plus icon, select crop pad, and now here you will find left, top, right, bottom value. For example, I want to crop the window source from top 20%, I'm giving 20, and from right I'm giving 100, and as you can see my window source successfully cropped.